Welcome back to my channel. Luxury Drive Car 2025 Audi Q5 Sportback, a harmonious blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. This latest iteration from Audi promises to redefine the standards in the luxury SUV segment, offering a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Let's begin by exploring the exterior design of the 2025 Q5 Sportback. Audi has masterfully crafted a vehicle that exudes sportiness while maintaining the versatility typical of an SUV. The front fascia showcases Audi's new single-frame grille, positioned higher and flanked by sharp, redesigned headlights. These headlights feature 8 selectable light signatures, allowing drivers to personalize their vehicle's appearance. The bonnet has been reimagined, presenting a more pronounced and aggressive look. However, it's the vehicle's silhouette that truly captivates. The distinctive roofline now slopes more steeply from a point further forward than in previous models, enhancing its coupe-like aesthetics. This design evolution not only contributes to the vehicle's dynamic appearance but also improves aerodynamic efficiency. Moving to the rear, the sloping roofline seamlessly integrates with the rear end, creating a cohesive and elegant profile. The taillights mirror the sophistication of the headlights, featuring modern LED technology and customizable light signatures. The overall design language of the Q5 Sportback is unmistakably Audi, yet it introduces fresh elements that set it apart from its predecessors. Stepping inside, the 2025 Q5 Sportback offers a sanctuary of luxury and advanced technology. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and a layout that emphasizes both driver engagement and passenger comfort. At the heart of the interior is Audi's digital stage setup. This includes a freestanding OLED panel comprising an 11.9-inch digital instrument display and a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system operates on Android Automotive, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. For those seeking an even more immersive experience, there's an option for a 10.9-inch touchscreen dedicated to the front passenger. This allows for individualized control over media, navigation, and other functionalities, ensuring that both driver and passenger can tailor their environment to their preferences. The seating arrangement offers ample space for all occupants, with ergonomically designed seats providing support during long journeys. The rear seats can be folded down to expand the cargo area, highlighting the vehicle's practicality. Ambient lighting, customizable to various colors and intensities, adds to the cabin's sophisticated ambience, making every drive a pleasurable experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Q5 Sportback offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. At launch, there are 2 petrol engines and 1 diesel option, all featuring 48-volt mild hybrid technology. The base petrol variant is a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 201 horsepower, available with front-wheel drive as standard and an optional all-wheel drive system. This engine provides a balanced mix of performance and efficiency, making it suitable for daily commuting and long-distance travel. For those seeking more power, there's a 3.0-liter V6 petrol engine in the SQ5 Sportback, producing 362 horsepower. This variant comes standard with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring rapid acceleration and dynamic handling. The diesel option is a 2.0-liter engine generating 201 horsepower, equipped with all-wheel drive and the same 7-speed transmission. This engine offers robust torque and fuel efficiency, appealing to drivers who prioritize long-range capability. In addition to these, Audi plans to introduce plug-in hybrid variants in the near future. These models will offer increased power and the ability to drive on electric power alone for short distances, aligning with Audi's commitment to sustainable mobility. The driving dynamics of the Q5 Sportback have been meticulously engineered to deliver both comfort and agility. The standard steel spring suspension provides a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. For those desiring a sportier feel, an optional sport suspension is available, offering enhanced handling characteristics. Additionally, Audi offers an adaptive air suspension system, which adjusts the ride height based on driving conditions and selected driving modes. This system not only improves ride comfort but also enhances aerodynamic efficiency at higher speeds. The steering is precise and responsive, providing excellent feedback to the driver. Combined with the vehicle's balanced weight distribution and advanced all-wheel drive system, the Q5 Sportback offers a confident and engaging driving experience, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety and driver assistance systems are paramount in the 2025 Q5 Sportback. Audi has equipped the vehicle with a comprehensive suite of features designed to protect occupants and enhance driving convenience. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work cohesively to monitor the surroundings and assist the driver in maintaining safe operation. Optional features such as a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition further enhance safety and convenience. The vehicle's advanced sensor array and processing capabilities enable semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions, reducing driver fatigue during long journeys. In terms of connectivity, the Q5 Sportback is at the forefront of automotive technology. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration of smartphones. A premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, while multiple USB-C ports ensure that devices remain charged and connected. The vehicle also offers over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software remains current without the need for dealership visits. The navigation system provides real-time traffic information and can suggest alternative routes to avoid congestion. Voice recognition technology allows for hands-free control of various functions, enhancing safety and convenience. Audi has also focused on sustainability in the development of the Q5 Sportback. The mild hybrid system improves fuel efficiency by recovering energy during braking and coasting, which is then used to assist the engine during acceleration. This not only reduces fuel consumption but also lowers emissions, aligning with global efforts to promote environmentally friendly transportation. The interior features eco-friendly materials, with options for upholstery made from recycled materials. Audi's commitment to sustainability extends to the manufacturing process, with the Q5 Sportback being produced in facilities that prioritize energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact. The 2025 Audi Q5 Sportback represents